Epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Red Dead Redemptionetara, bosgarren ataleko bigarren bideo honetara, beste eguneko zuzenaren ostean, ia lau ordu egon ginen zuzeneko egiten. Eta, bueno, jarraitu dugu hemen, hemendik ez egitea lortzen dugun, edo horrelako zehoz. Zuzenekoan ez nuen egin, azkenean helduntzen momentu bat, asko sufritu nuelako. Eta, baina, hori orain berdin zaigu. Vale, guazen gora. Askotan hile gintuzten eta esnakin zer gaitik, horaz? Vale, gora. Perfecto.
So, what's the plan?
Well, I found the cave Hercule spoke of, and also a guide. She's up ahead. I think we can trust her.
Follow me. The entrance is along here. Just watch your footing.
Vale, guazen pizkanaka.
So, what do we do when we get Javier?
Well, we're gonna get the hell out of here. And set sail for the one place. Ain't nobody gonna be expecting us.
Horrekin konforme gaude.
Get everybody together. And get ourselves back on course.
Where would that be?
Place we just escaped from.
Hala.
You want to go back to Saint Denis?
If it was you got left, you'd want us to go back.
I'd want it, but I wouldn't expect it.
That's the point. Ain't no one gonna expect it. We come back from the dead, gather everyone, and we leave before anyone realizes we've even resurrected.
An insect bite you or something? Cause you gone, friend.
We look like what we are. A bunch of desperados on the run. But with the women, a change of clothes, we're acquired. Or a gang of
Salderik gabe oso arraro egiten zait jokoa, begi izateko.
Whatever you say. A bunch of penniless fugitives on some Caribbean dump, sneaking through caves while two of our best men got shot back home. How could I doubt you, Dutch?
You got no idea, Arthur. No idea at all. I will do whatever it takes for us to survive.
I guess that's what I'm afraid of.
Hold on.
Why?
Gloria! Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. Dinero, the money, the gold.
Aquí.
Dámelo.
Oh, it's genuine, the old tag.
Ay. Vamos. Vamos. Rápido.
Now that gold right there, that's the last bit of gold I have in my pocket from the bank. The rest of it is
The bottom of the sea.
exactly.
Y manténganse cerca. A la izquierda.
You know, wasn't Fusar one of the fellers Bronte pointed out to us at the party in Saint Denis?
Yeah, you're right. I knew I'd heard that name before.
So I met up with Leon. That situation with the workers is dealt with. Captured, tied up, beaten.
Poor bastards.
No, that was me. Are you sure this Hercule fellers ain't just using us?
Almost certainly. But he's the best chance we have right now of getting out of this place. Won't be long before someone figures out who we are and sends word to the U.S.
So what happened with John and that bank?
He survived. Unlike dear Hosea and Lenny. The only one they took alive. Why is that, you think?
I don't know. I was already on the roof. I didn't see it.
And Abigail, I presume she was able to slip away in time.
What are you talking about?
You know, when I look back at all the chaos of the past few weeks, the apparent superficial chaos, I begin to wonder, maybe, for somebody, this is all going exactly to plan.
Still ain't sure what you saying, Dutch?
Nor am I quite, but that many Pinkertons arriving like clockwork once again? That must have taken days to organize. Maybe there's a maggot in the apple.
Puede callarse ya. Estamos cerca. The door is stuck. You'll have to lift it.
Pardon me, my queen. Arthur, come help me with this.
Just lift it.
Okay, then.
Oh, that's it.
Debe luchar. Aquí. Aquí arriba.
This way.
Sí. Then you pay more. More.
Just a second.
Pay more. Pay now. Ah.
Dutch? What are you doing? Jesus. Easy, Dutch. What was that?
Horrible old crone.
But you killed her.
She was gonna betray us, Arthur. Couldn't you tell?
No.
Well, I got some Spanish. She was.
You sure you're all right, Dutch?
I am just trying to make sure that some of us survive, Arthur. Now, shall we proceed?
I guess.
Listen, son, you think I want any of this?
I don't know.
Of course I don't. But I made a pledge to you all. We would survive, no matter what.
So how did you know she was gonna betray us? What'd she say?
It was in her eyes, in the way she was leading us.
But you said you knew Spanish.
I know human beings, Arthur.
Well, maybe we've all just gone rotten.
I'm doing the best I can.
But my friend, I do not understand. Who are you?
I come from Mexico. I never met those men.
Does anyone believe him? Mr. Simon doesn't believe you. Even the mule doesn't believe you. Eso, mi preparación. Así que deja de actuar. Sabemos que no estuvo tan fuerte.
Fue bastante duro.
No, la próxima vez será aún más duro. Bueno, ha sido un placer.
Siempre me encantaron los mexicanos.
Enough of this. We're going after him. Look around. This way. They're all listening to that fool. They won't notice us if we stay quiet. We need to deal with them.
Well, I'm sure you got some ideas.
Shut up and help me kill them. On my count, you take the one on the right. I'll take the left. So much for the count to 3. Okay, let's hide the bodies. You grab that one.
Acabo de estar en Estados Unidos.
Over here.
¿Y cómo tratan allá los huelguistas? ¿Sabes? ¡Les pegan un tiro!
Let's head around the back of the building and see if we can find
Vale.
a way through.
Eso sí que es el futuro. Esa es la ley y el orden. Lo que necesitamos en este lugar. Y así es como los trataremos aquí. Hay que tener madura. Necesitamos orden. La cobardía y la debilidad no ayudan a nadie.
Let's go in there.
Why?
Well, you know me. Arthur will cause ourselves a little distraction and then poof, we will disappear. take the other side of this door.
Ni es una civilización, un país civilizado. Me podría costar mujeres que usan zapatos. Aquí los campesinos son más ignorantes que los animales de sus granjas.
Y todo para proteger una puta plantación de azúcar.
Y para que Fusad pueda
What are you
coger
doing?
todas las lugareñas. No a todas. ¿Por qué? ¿Tienes algo de tomar?
A ver.
¿Cómo sabías? Porque te conozco. Sí, escondí una botella. Voy a buscarla. Gracias. Guardman.
Okay, you take the nearest one on the left. I'll deal with his friend.
Mierda. Es lo más bajo de una civilización.
Agur.
Over here.
Ahí va, ¿no? ¿Ah?
Okay, now we need to create a diversion.
What do you think? Find another old lady to strangle?
That is enough, Arthur. This is a war.
Well, if this is a war, then we need to start blowing some stuff up.
Exactly.
Got any dynamite?
Oh no, we don't need dynamite. We got a furnace. And lots of sugar.
Sugar?
Oh yeah. No problem. You'll see. Go
A ver.
close the windows and the doors. Go on, quick. Create enough dust. This place will go. Okay. We are nearly there.
A ver.
Kindling. All right, head on out and wait for me. I'll get this going. We'd better hurry. Follow me.
Okay.
I don't want to be too close to that building when it goes up. Come on, we can hide behind that well. That place has to blow soon. Get ready to make a run for Javier.
Am I glad to see you?
Come on, son.
A la hoz.
We're gonna have to deal with these bastards first, Arthur.
¡Hijo de puta!
Stay there, Javier. Arthur and I'll hold them off.
Hala.
There's more coming. I'll grab Javier. You shoot us some space, Arthur. Thank you. All right, let's get the hell out of here. Follow me.
Not yet, my friend.
This way. Stay with me.
You okay there? I'm here. Shit. I think he's passed out, Dutch.
Okay, let's move. On the left, take him out. This way. We gotta move. Come on, you goddamn animals. They'll be all on the way. Come on.
Venga, that.
We gotta get the hell out of here. Shit, they're coming out after us. Arthur, you got them?
Venga, joder, vamos, venga, that.
Come on, see if we can lose them in the fields. Head down towards the river.
No se me va a ir ahí. Joder. Joango gara atzera begiratu gabe. Beti gertatzen zaiz zeo zer,
Come on, let's go, come on. Shit, they're coming out
Venga.
after us. Arthur, you got them? Come on, see if we can lose them in the fields. Head down towards the river. Let's get across the river. We can hold them off from there.
He okay? He's passed out. Or dead.
He'll be fine. We'll get him out of here. You stay here. Take care of these fools a bit.
No problem. Go, quick.
This will give us a chance to get to Hercules Port. I'll meet you there, Arthur.
Me cago en...
This will give us a chance to get to Hercules Port. I'll meet you there, Arthur.
Es que venga ya.
This will give us a chance to get to Airpool Fort. I'll meet you there.
Me cago en San Cristóbal. Pikutara.
All right. Now, we did what you asked.
It's like I said. Fusar knows who you are and knows the price on your head. It's a big problem.
I see.
But if we can silence him, then I can help you escape before anyone has time to get here from America. That way, we all get what we want.
We want to get the boat you promised us.
And you will. But you have found yourself in the middle of a war, my friend. Fuso has called in the Navy from Cuba. There's no way a boat could leave right now.
Hercule! Hercule, s'il vous plaît! Vite! Vite!
Come, follow me.
Venga, Juan, has tirado, a ver.
So now we have a real problem. This must be the boat he called in from Cuba.
That's a goddamn warship.
Ezin dugu hau erabili, benetan.
So I guess great minds think alike.
So what now?
We've
Any of you boys feel like running? So what do?
I will go get the cannon ready.
Okay, let's get to it.
Fort! Shoot them, man! Shoot them! Fellas on the beach! I see. We got more coming at us on the right!
Let's prepare the welcoming party.
Why the hell are we doing this? This ain't our fight!
Do you want to get off this island or not?
He's using us! Just shoot, Micah!
Arthur, Bill, Micah, hold them back. They're cool. Get that cannon into position. I'll get the enemy.
Venga, Pikutara.
More coming down the left side, fellas! That won't go down! You said you were getting us a goddamn boat, Hercule!
I am. What do you want me to do? We are trapped up here.
Right side, near the fort!
I'm gonna need your help, my friend.
Don't let him get any closer!
Arthur, are you going to help here, cool? Arthur, push the damn cannon. Come on. Hurry, Arthur. We need that cannon. Damn, this is heavy.
Hau ez da gaineri bat, hau da Soma txingun.
Damn! There's a whole lot more of them turning up! This don't look good, fellas! Oh, damn it!
Let's go down and clear them off the beach.
Wait, I'll come too.
We'll guard this thing!
There's a lot of guns out there.
So, what do?
I say we push forward, because if we don't, we're gonna die here and now.
Okay, then.
Follow me? This is kind of fun.
Ya, claro.
That's how you want to do it?
Let's go!
¡Aniquilen a esta lacra come mierda!
Let's move down! Yes, we need to push them back! The ship just hit their own men!
Very kind of you, Mr. Fusar.
There are boats coming from both sides.
Damn it. What do we do now?
I think I got... Hercule, you take the left.
Okay,
A ver. ¡Dios!
You go left, too. Hit them hard on that side.
All right. Good luck, gentlemen.
there's another boat coming in on the left! Look out! Another boat arriving on the right!
A ver.
Look out! Another boat just made land.
Keep going! Just a few left now! Let's get down to the beach! This is not over yet!
I think that's all of them. Good work, gentlemen.
Up to the boat. Come on! Damn! He's getting closer!
What do we do?
Two of us must go and use the cannon.
You go, Arthur. I'll gladly hold them off this beach a while longer.
You sure?
Just certain, son.
You think that cannon will be enough?
Only one way to find out!
Christ's sake, how many men has Fusar got?
That's the problem!
A ver.
It doesn't matter how many we kill, he will have the money to get more! Watch out! Down! We will have to climb up around the side. This way. Wait, look! That one's going right to the Cossack for now. I got him! Let's go!
La próxima tiene su nombre.
Up I'll get you some more shot. Everybody the water line. We need to put a serious hole in
A
that
ver.
boat.
And again, Morgan! That one's definitely hit!
Reloading!
Kolasatu bat orain gainera.
Fire again!
Keep at 'em! They can't take much more of this!
Ah, missed! But they've already taken some damage. Try again!
There we go!
Yes!
Hala.
Going down! Let's get down from here. Come on.
That was quite some shooting, boys.
Thank you.
What now?
Oh, they'll be back. But I found a boat for you. And he should be arriving on the dock any time now.
Great. Micah, go meet with the captain. If he's amenable and discreet, tell him we'll be ready to set sail soon. Bill, come help me collect poor old Javier.
Sure.
Hercule, it was a great pleasure to make your acquaintance.
I thought I was dead for sure.
Boys, we got a real problem. Nice Mr. Fusar don't want us going nowhere. He knows just who we are. If he can keep us here for a few more days, well...
And what about the captain of the ship here?
They got him trussed up like a hog. Guards all over the place. Got us surrounded with gun positions, so when we try to sail out, he's gonna blow holes in us.
This fella is really beginning to try my patience.
He ain't even had you tortured yet.
I like the man's style. He's thorough, nasty, and vindictive. However, in this instance, I don't see we got any alternative, but we go and free our friendly captain and destroy the artillery.
For once, I agree with you.
Hercule?
Oh, I'll fight Alberto Fusa every day I can.
All right. Bill, you're gonna guard Javier on the ship here. Micah, Arthur, let's get to work. Hercule, we follow you.
Anale, this way.
Quick! Let's get up around the back of that artillery post.
Hala.
There's two guards. Arthur, come on. Get your knife ready. You take out the first guy, and I'll get the other one, okay? Okay, we're clear. Let's plant the explosives. You got it secured properly, cowpoke?
I think so.
Knowing you, I have my doubts.
Shut up, Micah.
Come on, run!
There's another set of cannons up ahead.
Got a hit.
En tus últimas palabras, hombre muerto.
Look out! One coming down this stairs.
Joder. Oso estresante hau.
Look out above us! On the roof! Come on! There's another set of cannons up ahead!
¡Vamos por él! No le quede una célula viva.
Let's keep moving!
Ingo duen gauza bat izango da. Kikutera idali.
Look out! One coming down the stairs!
¡Corra, hijo de perra! ¡Me encanta cazar maldito bastardo! ¡Me llena de vida! ¡Vas a ver a Don Pedro en poco tiempo!
Too damn close.
Guys, open the tower! Wait here for a second for the others to catch up.
I'll get the dynamite rigged on these cannons. There'll be more coming.
We'll hold them off. Up here, Arthur. We'll have a better view.
Look! More Pushas men coming through the fields!
Non dago. Me cago en San Cristóbal bendito.
Look out above us! On the roof! Come on! There's another set of cannons up ahead!
¡Mátalo! ¡Mátalo! ¡Morirás, bastardo! ¡El tiempo te espera, venga!
A ver. Me cago en San Cristóbal y su puta madre.
The captain's being held in the workers' compound. This way.
We going in?
Yeah, on your mark, Arthur. Let's go!
The captain's in that I got you now, you bastard.
We are all bastards, my friend. But only one of us is some would-be emperor's whore.
We know who you are.
And nobody knows who you are. Not even your goddamn father.
You maggots are going to die.
Eventually, I'm sure we will. But not today, not because of you.
The U.S. Navy is on the way.
I am sure they are. Which is why you're going to let us leave. Or you are dying right here, my friend.
We've killed better men than you.
A ver. Hostia.
Enough? Oh, I've had enough of this. Arthur? The rifle?
Sure. Are you men gonna give up? Let us leave? Or are you gonna die?
Put your guns down.
Here! You saved my life. Thank you, Captain.
I suppose you men are my cargo.
Dutch Vanderlyn, I am sorry you got hurt.
Captain Sam.
Let's go. Gentlemen. Back to the ship. Come on. What happened to Fusar? He escaped? I didn't see him. Damn it. They have sent reinforcements. You're dead Another one! Shoot him! Keep going! Just get to that boat!
Algo hacen.
Look out on the left! There's one on the rock! Come on! Let's finish this corner! Let's go! Keep going! Let's move! Shit! Come on!
Carajo me Carajo me regara.
Hey! Fusar is up there,
In the tower?
Yes! Yes, that's him!
This goddamn idiot. Come on!
He's shooting! We have to take him down! Ate, there's another cannon up ahead on our left. Can you get to that?
I'll try.
A ver, o sea,
Use the cannon, Ate. Hurry, Ate, we don't have a shot on him.
for you, Javier.
Captain, can you handle the ship?
I'll be fine. Come on. We'll get going with the tide before I get any more surprise interviews with local officials.
Are you gonna be okay?
We'll be like you. We'll disappear probably. Back to Haiti. Believe me. We'll be long gone by morning.
Good. Thank you. We survived.
Just about.
What now? What now? What do you mean, what now?
I mean, we're headed back to Lemoyne again, and we're all wanted men.
We slip ashore one by one, find out what's what.
We don't cut and run now? Head back to Blackwater.
No,
Why not?
because the last thing they'll be thinking is for us to turn up.
We've been on the run for a while now, and it feels like our luck has turned. You know? And it ain't turning back. We had a good run of it, I guess.
We ain't even played our hand yet. We just need to put some more money in our pockets. Make our escape. Broke, alone, they're gonna pick us off one by one. And you know it.
Maybe.
Not maybe. We need to split up. Keep a low profile. Try to track down the rest. But carefully. See if they send any mail. Arthur, you check Shady Belle. We'll find each other eventually. We always do.
And then what?
Then we meet up. We gather the family, we get some money, and get the hell out of there. That's the plan.
We all acting crazy, and that's not what I thought we were gonna be doing
We have
here.
been in a bad way. Listen. I will kill for my family. Any of you want to judge me for that? That's fine. But that is who I am. Anyone disagree? Anyone?
Vale, karga momentua. Bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena. Espero gustoko zen zaizula eta horrengoan gehiago